Hey guys, so what I have for you today is an old 1988 Mac Plus.
Okay, fail.
Alright, hold on. Yeah. Unfortunately, I got it off of eBay. Unfortunately, the person that sold it to me wrapped it or packaged it in newspapers and it came destroyed. So this is the packaging that the computer came in. So I guess as you can see, there is no surprise that it came in pieces because it's been put into a bunch of old newspapers and whoa.
That
Alright,
was
never
totally got
mind,
in
this
there.
is the dog's toy. I don't know how that got in there.
Hi, Emma. Nice.
So I'm afraid to turn it on. So we're gonna take it apart first, see why it's rattling, what's going on inside, and take it from there. But you can see the damage here. This other corner is completely cracked. We got another crack right there. Yeah, the front piece, the case, is just about to fall off. So let's take it apart and see what we can find. Alright, we got some torque screws on the side. Alright, so we gotta take out this screw here, another screw here, and we have one where the battery is hiding. There's one here, but there isn't one, so there wasn't one to begin with. Don't have to worry about this one. And then we have two more hiding right in there. Can you see them? We got one there, and another one right there. We're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 3 have already been taken out. We have 2 to take out. So I took out these two screws right here, just to save some time. Now we're going to take these out. One. Two. All right. Okay. And now I am going to attempt to take off the cover. I see some spider webs. Something's been rattling in here though. Let's see what it all looks like. Capacitors look pretty good. Ooh, look at the hard drive over here. Hard drive, I mean floppy drive. Motherboard. Alright, I am going to flip it and see what's going to fall out of it because something is definitely rattling here. And if it's not too major, we're going to try to turn this thing on. Alright, let's flip it over. Alright. Okay, that's it. What do we got? Piece of metal. It looks like a battery connector. A stud that was like a holding the screw. It's got to be from one of the corners here. Battery definitely has signs of corrosion in it, so we're gonna have to take that out eventually, but let's try to boot it up first, see what it has or hasn't, because once we take this battery out, everything's gonna get erased. This missing piece, that's from right here, the post. Can you see that? Oh, there's another one. I see. There's basically the post that the tube, the screen is connected to, the CRT screen. All those posts are broken off completely. So the screws are attached to them still, some of them, but it's just loose. Other than that, I honestly don't see any damage that we might be able to turn this thing on and see what happens. It seems to be just cosmetic. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. So there are like 4 posts on every corner holding the screen in, and 3 of those are broken off. It's only sitting on 1 that's solid. The rest of the other 3 are broken off. Where this piece came off, I don't know. Is it something we need? Man, it looks like it was making a contact to something. Huh. Alright, let's put it back together and we'll try to turn it on. Alright, we'll get the power in. I also want to put in the keyboard and the mouse just in case that it actually turns on. Alright, now we have to find the keyboard cable. That goes in the front. Okay, so we got the keyboard. It's got a key missing. I have the key right here. But it looks like it has crazy glue residue on it. I think somebody glued this before. And I'm definitely getting some kind of weird. Oh yeah. This
That's
keyboard
not right.
is mush.
That's not right.
Oh, it's destroyed on the inside. Okay, and the cable that was actually advertised on the website that it comes with is not here. So we have no way of plugging the keyboard into the computer. We have a mouse that we can try using, and that's about it.
Great.
Okay, let's turn it on
Moment of truth.
and see what happens. Ready? We might get a fire.
Good to have this on video then.
Ready?
Yep. Oh,
Got the chime.
something's happening.
It's turning on.
Okay.
And that is it.
Oh,
There it is.
it's doing something.
So it turns on.
Okay.
So it's working. I wish I had a disc to put in. I don't. Oh. So even though it's got cosmetic damage everywhere, it seems to be booting up. And we'll try to get a disc. I'd like to get photo paint or Mac paint. Mouse is trying to move, but it doesn't really work on a towel. I know, no disc in. Okay, so at least we know it turns on. We're gonna get some software for it. I have the original Photoshop somewhere, which it should run, but I have to find it first. So that's it for now, I guess. We found out that the computer actually does work, even though it's been busted up into pieces. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Maybe we just have to find a new case for it. That's it for now, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.